My name is Fadila Rizka Nugroho. My student number 2453/2006. This video is my final project for the intermediate reading course. I would also like to mention my lecturers, Miss Khairunisa, SPD MPD, and then Miss Nabila Hasri Ainun, SPD MPD. And today I'm going to review a classic children's novel titled Five Children and It, Right by Anas Bin. The first basic information. Five Children and It is a children's fantasy novel written by Anas Bin and first published in 1902. The novels belongs to the fantasy and adventure genre. The second is setting. The story takes place in the English countryside, especially around a gravel pit near the children's new home. The time setting in the early 20th century during a summery holiday. And the next, the third main character. The story follows five siblings. The first, Curly, Atea, Robert, Jack, and their baby brother known as the Lamb. Charlie is confident and often tries to lead the group. The second, Atea. Atea is kind, responsible, and the most thoughtful. The third is Robert. Robert is brave but sometimes stubborn. And then Jen is sensitive and especially worried. And then the Lamb is just a baby who often causes unspeakable trouble. Next, the medical character. One day, the children discovered a strange creature called the Pessimate, also known as the Sand Fairy. It looks like a fairy country with snail-like eyes, and it has the power to grain on which per day. However, every witch only lasts until sunset and usually curse Charles. And the next, short summary. Every chapter in the novel shows how the children make a new wish and how it goes wrong in funny or surprising ways. For example, they wish for beautiful wings, but flying become dangerous. They wish for gold, but they can use in the end up in trouble. They wish to be beautiful, but their own family doesn't regard them. They even wish for the baby to grow up, and it becomes a disaster. Through these adventures, the children learn that wishes do not always bring happiness. They must face consequences, solve problems, and sometimes apology to others. And the next, the end message. The main theme of the novel is responsibility. The story teaches that every discussion has consequences and not anything that looks good will end well. The novel also teaches time work, honestly, and the importance of family support. The next personal opinion, two things I like. The first, I early like the creativity of the story, each which becomes a new adventure that is funny and exciting and unpredictable. The second is I love the bond between the siblings even when they around, they always help each other. Two things I dislike. One things I dislike is that sometimes the ending of a chapter fails to do because the witch disappears and a sunset. And another things is that some old fashioned English word area a bit difficult to understand. The age language difficulty. For me, the language is medium level. Some vocabulary is easy, but there are also old terms that require more attention or a dictionary. The nine recommendation. I recommendation this book to students who enjoy adventure, magic, and classic children literature. It is also subtitle for readers who want to improve their English storytelling. And the rating for me overall, I read this novel for out of 5 stars because it's entertaining, imaginative, and full of good moral lesson. And then, okay, thank you for watch my review of Five Children and It. I hope this review helps you understand the story and its value. See you in the next project and see you and goodbye. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.